Hello, Urban Forex team. So I'm going to do my PA of the day, which is a story I did a sell on the Microsoft on the January 18 of 2023, and it was a it was what I got in there was because at that moment I was like, man, no way the buyer is like I was reading this, all the volume is on the top, and the volume on the top is like, I just did the same thing how on the video said, come on, you're not gonna buy it from the top, like the price that I when I got in it was not that I wanted, but the point is like I got into here and started reacting of this area to this area, and I was just all of a sudden I was like, the buyer doesn't make sense to me on the 1 hour, and I look on the feature, and also the buyer is like keep going up, and the volume is going up again, and it's just too many legs. When I saw it, it was too many legs. So, and that's how I think that's how it wanted me to take a trade, because it was first leg, second leg, does it count for third leg, and then fourth leg. Then I went a fifth leg, and kind of weak. So kind of weak. So I like, this will be a good area to sell somewhere here, but I'm not sure. But I was sticking to my better pairs from here from Microsoft. So instead went back to, I just went down to a 15-minute to check, double check, and to break out from here. And not just that, I just took a trade from here like quick, because I know is the move is gonna go strong, might as well take a trade from here. That what reactive here, and then it broke out that area, and then I sit through, broke out this area for this buyer here, and also for the buyer from here, this after hours is also like is also count. So I noticed is that very important. So it went back down and then go back up, and once it go back up, I didn't go back up, but I took a trade a little bit more early from here. I don't know why I put my stop. Yeah, from here, and then it went back up, and then the trade went right on. Saying it was 1 hour, I was looking for to break it, and then what I see right now, which is like is good for me. I was kind of a little not sure it would react very strong to come back here, because the volume from here very strong too. It was not like that strong, but it's kind of a little strong, and I kind of don't like that move right here. What if is they came here and then moved back up, but they did react the whole days of the whole market, but I just did a quick trade from here to here on a 8 o'clock, and then I just took off. Well, yeah, there's a story of it first, and then let me talk about my PA first.